Here comes that man again. Something in the way he moves makes me sorry. I'm a lady. Hello, stranger, you're a danger to the law and order here. They don't like men like you in our city. You're too pretty, cool and witty. You are real bad company. I should have stayed away from you today. Sorry, I'm a lady. Sorry, I'm a lady. I would rather be just a little shady, just a little shady. Nothing dynamite, dynamite. Sorry, I'm a lady. Sorry, I'm a lady. Have you got a light? Got a light for me tonight? I need power, I need passion. Give me more than sympathy. I've got a lot to learn before tomorrow. Like a flower wants a shower.